खबर विस्तारान म्हादय ही गोयची जीवनदायिनी। गोय सरकार म्हादय संदर्भात गोंयकारांक दुखोवपासारकें कसलेंच पावल उखलचें ना। गोंयचें उदक वळोवचें ना। गोंयकारां आड वचपी कसलोच निर्णय गोंय सरकार घेवचें ना म्हूण म्हायती उपसभापती मायकल लोबोन दिल्या। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर कळंगूटच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
He is our lifeline, he is our mother, every Goan. आणि जो गोंयकार कोणीय आसूं गोंयान बसून सेटल जाला तो मनीस आयज पळयता सगळीं डिसिजनां। We will not take any decision, our government will not take any decision which will go against the people of Goa, especially where our mother is concerned. Mother म्हणजे आमची माय आणि मायक केन्नाच दुखोवचें ना। जे उदक आमकां येता, जी वेस्टर्न घाट्स जो तो आयज वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज हितून जो तो डिक्लेअर जाल्लो आहा, means it is, if you look at an entire world, there are few hills and mountains which are declared under World Heritage Site. So to declare zallo Western Ghats. So तिका ते म्हादयचे उदका खातीरूच तो जगता, म्हणजे it is alive. And our government will not come under pressure of anybody. These are all political statements.
सीएमान येडियुरप्पाक लेटर बरोवपाक कारण कितें की टॉक्स करपाक?
These are all political statements, likewise I told you. So everybody makes a statement. इलेक्शना लागीं पावले काय सगळेच जाण स्टेटमेंटां खूब भाशेनी करता। इलेक्शन सोंपले काय कांयच उलयना। So I do not want to comment more on this. I don't think against the interest of the people of Goa any statement or anything will be done, because we are fighting tooth and nail as far as Mada is concerned. No water will be diverted from this basin. See, finally what? It is people of Goa will decide. आमगेर फाल्यां कोण येत जाल्यार आनी पिवपाक पाणी दी म्हणत जाल्यार आमी दिता, बट ते तशें इरिगेशनाक डायवर्ट जावचें ना उदक।